Hello friends, today we will perform the practical on potentiometer. The aim of our practical is to determine the pK and K value of given monobasic acid by potentiometric titration. This is the digital potentiometer. In this potentiometer, this is the digital potentiometer. The inbuilt standardization system is available in the digital potentiometer. This is the knob. Throw the switch down to bring a standard cell of 1.018. This is the 1.018 reading, means this potentiometer is in standard position. This is the reading mode. We take a reading on this reading mode. Our experiment is the monobasic acid titration with the base. The NaOH 0.5 normal NaOH is here, and 0.1 normal acetic acid. First, we pipette out 10 ml acetic acid solution. This is the 10 ml acetic acid solution. In it, we add 30 ml distilled water. Or amount of distilled water is added such that the two electrodes are easily dipped in it in the solution. Then keep this beaker on the magnetic stirrer. Then put the needle in the 100 ml beaker having the acetic acid solution. Then pinch of quinidron is added to the acetic acid solution. Pinch of quinidron powder is added now. This quinidron powder acts as a indicator electrode. Then dip both the electrodes, calomel and platinum electrode, in the solution. First, thoroughly mix the quinidron powder in the solution like that. Then dip both the electrodes in solution. Adjust the burette. Don't dip the burette into the solution. This is the first reading. This reading is the 0 ml NaOH reading, means EMF. This is the 0 ml reading. Write this reading in front of 0 ml. This is the EMF for 0 ml. Wait till the reading is stabilized. Note down the stable reading is 0.122. (0.126) is the stable reading. Note this one, stable reading. Then add 0.2 ml of solution, NaOH solution from the burette. Added 0.2 ml solution from the burette. Likewise, the EMF is decreased. First, EMF is slowly decreased, but near the end point or at the exact end point, the change in EMF is sudden. and continue the addition of 0.2 ml NaOH from the burette till the endpoint is obtained. Endpoint means sudden change in EMF. After complete titration, we require to calculate the pH values from the EMF values. We need to calculate the E-calomel oxidation. But for the E-calomel oxidation, we need the E cell, and that E cell value is obtained from the one reading from the KHP solution. This is the KHP solution, 50 ml KHP solution. Add in that 50 ml KHP solution, add a pinch of quinine powder, stir it, mix properly, and dip the both electrodes in the solution. This is the reading of E cell. 50 ml KHP solution is taken. In that solution, we add a pinch of quinine, stir it, and by taking both electrodes, this value is obtained. And this is the value of E cell, which is required for the calculation of E-calomel oxidation.